Hi Virgo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kaysa inyong Sun sign. Okay? Please subscribe, like, comment, and share, and please tap the bell for notification from this channel. All my readings are timeless, so you can be open to messages anytime you come across this video. Maraming salamat sa inyo, Virgo. Let us see what are the energies and the messages for you. Ano yung mga paparating na mga mensahe. Okay, mga gabay at energies for Virgo. Virgo. Energies and messages for Virgo. Ace of Wands, career advancement, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng mga opportunities ng pagkakakitaan, okay? May mga bagong creative projects kang sisimulan, okay? Bagong pag-asa. This is an opportunity for you to expand and to grow, okay? Maybe meron kayong naisip na mga passion project or creative project na sisimulan. Okay, this is a promising one. Okay, promising. Okay, magbibigay sa inyo ng stability. Okay, magbibigay sa inyo ng direksyon sa buhay. Okay, let go of your past hurts. Okay, forgive. Okay, and learn from the lesson. Maybe sa inyong mga past relationships. Okay, past hurts, you have to let it go. Heal yourself, forgive yourself, and forgive others. Okay. The High Priestess. Hidden information. Okay. Merong marireveal na mga informasyon or secrets sa inyo. Gamitin ninyo ang inyong 5 senses for you to be able to expand, okay, and to grow in your situation, okay? Listen or trust your intuition, Virgo. Okay. Happiness. Okay, makakatanggap ka ng well-deserved, well-earned na happiness. Maybe sa trabaho mo to, okay? You will be awarded, you will be receiving an award, okay? Or you will be rewarded, okay? There will be happiness and blissfulness, okay? And vitality. Yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo ibalik ang inyong sigla, okay? Yes. You are juggling two things, two situations, okay? Maybe you are dealing with two situations and kailangan mo mag-decide, Virgo, okay? May kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan. Kailangan mo ng balance, okay? Work-life balance, at the same time, balance sa emosyon. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, choose yourself. Okay? Kung ano yung mas advantage or mas makakatulong sa inyo. Okay? Choose happiness. Okay? Ibalik mo yung tiwala mo sa sarili, yung vitality mo, yung confidence. Okay? Knight of Wands, okay? Be wise sa inyong mga desisyon, okay? Merong tao na nalalapit sa inyo, okay, magpaparamdam or magpapakita na interesado sa inyo. So, be wise and be smart, okay? Make wise or smart choices. Okay? Someone will be taking action towards you. Okay? Yeah. For some of you, you are being hot-headed. Okay? Or matigas ang ulo. Adventure awaits for you, pero kailangan mo maging wais, okay? Lagi mong isipin ang advantage para sa iyo, okay? Successful self-employment, kung meron kayong business, okay, or you are an entrepreneur, you are doing well, namamayagpag ang inyong business. For some of you, you are single, okay, self-secured or financially secured, self-sufficient, okay. You are doing well in your finances or in your career, okay. You are glowing, you are beautiful, and single. You are a hardworking person as well, okay. Queen of Wands. Be confident. Yung iba sa inyo, you need to move forward. Kung meron kayong naiisip na mga negosyo or creative projects, move forward in your business. Okay? You will be successful. You are confident, charming, and intelligent person. Okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you have to believe in yourself. Spread your wings. Okay, meron kang kakayahan to start a business, okay, to start a project, a passion project, okay. You will be able to deliver it well. Page of Swords, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong stalker, okay, or you are the one who is stalking someone, okay, merong spying, or you're getting information or knowledge about someone or a situation, maybe sa work mo to, or even a person, a relationship, okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are doing some research, okay? Getting information or knowledge about a business, okay? Mayroon kayong inaalam, may inaaral kayo, may nire-research, kung ano yung pwedeng gawin, paano umpisahan, okay? Kung sa isip ninyo ay negosyo or business or creative project. Okay. Knight of Swords. You are confident and even you are in defense mode. Be careful to avoid arguments, okay? Or conflict with someone. Okay. For some of you, you will be receiving a swift message, okay? Or may sudden change sa inyong sitwasyon, okay? Or a sudden events na magkakos ng change. Pwedeng sa work to, or sa work, personal life, okay? Or relationship. Death. There will be transformation in your situation, a rebirth, okay? Merong ending sa nangyari. Maybe in your relationship, okay? Now you are getting better. Or you're doing better. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you have to release toxic relationship or unhealthy relationship, okay? Unhealthy thoughts, unhealthy behaviors, okay? You have to cut it out. This is needed. Minsan parang hindi mo to ma-avoid. This is meant to happen para mag-grow ka and mag-expand, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are spiritually transformed. Nag-iiba ang inyong mga mindset, ang inyong mga principles. Okay? This is a significant change for you. Okay? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Just take what resonates for you, Virgo. And leave the rest. Pahinga mo ang iyong isip, ang inyong katawan, or katawang tao. Okay? You need rest. Maybe you are overworked. Yeah. Madaming gumugulo sa isip ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, siguro may mga concerns kayo, no? Or worries. And kailangan ng meditation because sometimes when we are alone and we are doing meditation, doon tayo nakakakuha ng lakas at ng solusyon. Okay? Sa ating mga suliranin or sa ating mga concerns or problema. Okay? Two of Wands. Okay? You are looking forward onto something. Okay? There is a pursuit of goals. Okay? Determinado ka na i-pursue kung ano yung gusto mong i-pursue sa career to, okay? Or sa creativity nyo, creative projects. Or personal or passion project nyo man to, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are confident and you are brave enough to venture to a business, okay? Or to venture out. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo nag-iisip about traveling, okay? Nagpaplano, okay? At tinitingnan nyo yung mga challenges along the way sa kung may travels man kayo, okay? You're thinking about the preparation. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, merong someone na magdadala ng good news para sa inyo, okay? Opportunity about financial or maybe trabaho or career. Yung iba sa inyo, you have to honor commitment. May makailangan kayong tapusin, okay? Na trabaho. There will be a celebration, a get-together, okay? Merong mangyayari, a positive event, okay, that calls for a celebration. Maybe there is a promotion, okay, or bagong negosyo na inyong sisimulan. Okay? Yeah. Prosperity and abundance awaits you. Tingnan natin. Ano pa yung mga messages for Virgo? Pasensya na po sa ingay kasi merong ginagawa dito sa bahay. Pasensya na po. Social status, you will reach the heights of fame and society. Don't get arrogant, okay? So be humble. Perfect fit, finding the right path, the fit with the soul, the ideal job. You are meant to be here, okay? Wellness, ensure your body is nourished, join a gym and regain strength. Live a healthier lifestyle. Sa yung iba sa inyo, kailangan mo pagtuunan ng pansin ang inyong health. See ano yung message sa inyo from the angels for Virgo. Release jealousy. Jealousy is an affirmation that you don't have something and the universe manifests exactly as you affirm. Let other people's successes inspire rather than frustrate you. If they can have it, so can you. Okay? Spirit message. It is time to stop letting worry rule you. Instead, get excited about your future and all it will bring. What energy and emotion you put out comes back to you. With a little conscious effort on your part, that happy ending can and will be yours. Believe that. Alright? So, these are the messages for you, Virgo. Maraming salamat and all the best sa inyo. See you on the next video. Bye!